I am Neha Bhardwaj. Today we will discuss about our topic natural resources. You know the meaning of natural. Natural means nature. What are resources? Things which are available to use are called resources. What are natural resources then? The resources that are available to use are called natural resources and which we get from nature. From nature we get it free of cost. So that is natural resources. Now here there are various examples of natural resources, but today in this video we will discuss about only three natural resources, that is air, water and land. Now the layer of air present on the earth or surrounds the earth are called atmosphere, and the surface of the earth comprises of water and land are called hydrosphere and lithosphere. Different living things survive in this different sphere, in this three sphere, that is atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. So this living things and the parts occupied by these living things is together called the biosphere. Now see here students, this is see this diagram. Assume that this is the earth. Here 71% of the earth is occupied by water and 29% of the earth is occupied by land. So in this diagram we see that higher proportion is of hydrosphere as compared to the land. Okay. So let us discuss in detail about our natural resources. Air is a mixture of gases. Air contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, other constituents and argon. It also contains water vapor, dust particle, nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide. Let us see some uses of gases and their proportion which is present on the earth. 78% nitrogen is present on the earth, 21% is the proportion of oxygen on the earth and 0.9% argon. Argon is an inert gases. Okay. Then other consequences of air is of 0.07% and carbon dioxide is 0.03%. So this is about the proportion of air present on the earth. Now let us discuss some uses of gases. Nitrogen. Let us see first use, that is nitrogen. Okay. Nitrogen. In living things, nitrogen builds necessary protein which is useful for living things. Second, it is used in food industries for airtight packaging of the food. Then you well know about this gas and their uses, that is oxygen. Oxygen is used for respiration. As you know that human beings inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. It is also used for combustion. Combustion means burning. Then the third gas, that is carbon dioxide. The the proportion of carbon dioxide is 0.03%. Carbon dioxide is used for photosynthesis in plants and it is also used as in fire extinguishers. Argon. These are all inert gases. 6 inert gases are present in the air. So here I have written only 4 uses of inert gas, 4 inert gases uses. Now first is argon. Argon is used in electric bulbs. We know about the electric bulbs. We daily observe electric bulbs. Helium. Helium is used for obtaining low temperature and for generating lift in airships. For generating lift in airships, generally this helium is present in the airships due to avoid burning in the higher temperature. Neon. Used in decorative lights and street light. Decorative lights, series, okay, and different type of lights which are used for decorative purposes, that are decorative. We used to decorate our home with decorative lights, so that in that neon is used. Krypton. Krypton is used in fluorescent tube. Fluorescent tube means our tube lights. Okay, that is the fluorescent tube. Then again there is a one inert gas, that is xenon, which is used in flash photography. Flash photography, in flash photography there is a use of camera. Without camera no flash photography can be taken. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the fifth inert gas is a xenon and sixth inert gas is a radon. See student, this is a diagram which shows you that there are 5 layers of atmosphere. 5 layers of atmosphere. This is, first layer is a troposphere. 80% of the total mass of a gas is present in this troposphere. As their mass of gas is in higher proportion, so life exists on it, and the weather phenomena such as formation of cloud, fog, rain all occurs in this troposphere. Then above this is a layer of stratosphere. 19% of the total gas of mass is present in the stratosphere. Lower part of this is covered by ozone layer. Later we will discuss about the importance of ozone layer. Above this is a mesosphere. This is the coldest part in the atmosphere of coldest part of the atmosphere. In this, meteors burn. Now above this is the ionosphere. Ionosphere is the layer where the atmosphere is very hot because sun rays is fall on this ionosphere. In this two sphere, ionosphere and mesosphere, the proportion of gases is not very much high. In the exosphere, no gases are present in the exosphere. So, hope so you will understand about this 5 layers of atmosphere. Now, let us, I already tell you that we will discuss about the ozone layer. Ozone layer absorbs the ultraviolet rays which is coming from the sun, and protects living things. Ozone layer absorbs ultraviolet rays which is coming from the sun and reach onto the earth. Ozone layer protects from this ultraviolet rays. Ozone gas is formed of 3 atoms of oxygen. That formula is O3. Ozone layer, to know the importance of ozone layer, 16 September is celebrated as Ozone Protection Day. And you are hearing that day by day this ozone layer is depleting. Why this ozone layer is depleting? Due to the increase in the chemical gases in the air, that is of chlorofluorocarbon and carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride or chlorofluorocarbon that is coming from the, ये कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? Due to the use of air conditioner and refrigerator. So we should protect this ozone layer. Let's discuss about second natural resources, that is water. Okay, water is life. We cannot spend even a single day without water. Okay, water is a universal solvent. Why we call water as a universal solvent? Because many substances dissolve in water. That is why it is called water is a universal solvent. Then water is in 3 states. Water is in 3 states. 3 states are solid, liquid and gaseous. The example of solid is ice. Water, the example of liquid is water. Water itself is a fluid. The example of gaseous state of water is water vapor and steam. Then water is tasteless. Water does not have taste. Water does not have color. Water does not have odor. Water is used, even though there is a 71% of water on the earth, only 0.3% water is used for drinking purpose. Remaining is in the sea, that is a salty water, and some is in a frozen stream. Then water is also used in blood of animals and sap of the plants. Here water is present in a higher proportion. Then we should drink water. Okay, how much water we need to drink daily? Daily we should drink 3 to 4 liters of water so that our body function smoothly. Now, how the water is regulated? Water is regulated on the earth through water cycle. So water, there are various resources of water: stream, river, lake, ocean, sea. These are the various resources of water. We can get water through these resources. Then we should use today there is a scarcity. We observe serious problem that water scarcity is a serious problem today. So we should use water sparingly. Block water so that it percolate, and store water if it is possible. Store water. Now I want to tell you or intimate you that by giving this slogan, don't be mean, keep environment clean. हमें environment को खराब नहीं करना चाहिए. Don't be selfish human being. keep our environment clean, because until and unless we will not save our water or natural resources, we cannot, the environment will not be balanced. So we should save our natural resources and maintain environmental balance. In the next video, we will discuss about our third natural resources, that is land. Thank you.